morning students, welcome back to BBVN online classes, grade 6. We were in chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. In the previous class, we have discussed a line segment, part of a line which has two endpoints and its length is fixed. Then a ray has one terminal end and another end is open. You can stretch to any limit on that particular side. Then a line has both the ends as open ends. It can be stretched to any extent in both the directions. Next, parallel lines. Any two lines which never meet each other. Say for example the railway tracks. You have seen the edges of the table on which you sit. These lines are parallel lines. Okay, so they never meet. The distance between these two lines is always same on any point if you measure. Next, intersecting lines. Any two lines which intersect at a point are known as intersecting lines. Then we have studied curves. Anything that is not a straight line is a curve. For example, we make English alphabet C. It is a curve. We make the digit 8. It is a curve. Okay. Then closed shapes. Those are closed. Then open shapes. All these things we have discussed in previous classes. Now we will discuss closed figures with lateral sides and vertices. Now this is a closed figure. Lateral sides means the sides are straight line segments, and these corners A, B, C, these are the vertices. If it is singular, it is a vertex. If it is plural, more than one, it becomes vertices. They are called as vertices. So A, B, C, this closed geometrical figure, it has three sides. Now this region which is inside all the three lateral sides, this is the area of this geometrical figure. It has got three sides, so it is called a triangle. Now come to PQRS, this geometrical shape. It is a closed geometrical shape, four lateral sides and four vertices. 4 means quadra, so this is called a quadrilateral. Now, one new thing is introduced when we come to quadrilaterals. If I join these two vertices, I can join these two vertices also. So, these are the sides of the quadrilateral. PQ, QR, RS and PS. But these are called as the diagonals. A triangle has no diagonals. So diagonals come into the picture from quadrilaterals or any other geometrical shape which has more than 4 sides. 4 or more than 4 sides, you will have diagonals. Come to this closed figure, LMNOP. It has 5 vertices and 5 lateral sides. 5 means pent. So this is a pentagon. Okay, now diagonals. This is a diagonal. This is another diagonal. This is a diagonal, this is another diagonal, this is another diagonal. You can draw all the diagonals. So these are diagonals of a pentagon. Now you have 6 vertices, A, B, C, D, E, F and 6 lateral sides. 6 means hexa. This closed geometrical figure is a hexagon. Okay. So for the assignments, children, make rough sketches of pentagon, hexagon, septagon. 7 sides means septagon. S-E-P-T-A, septa. 8 sides means octa. O-C-T-A. 9 sides means nana. And 10 sides means deca. Okay, you can use this. You can make all these polygons, rough sketches, and you can see how many diagonals are there. And one more thing, any geometrical figure which has 3 or more than 3 sides, lateral sides, is known as a polygon. P-O-L-Y-G-O-N. Poly means many, बहुत सारे. Polygon, बहुत सारी lateral sides वाला closed geometrical figure, that is known as a polygon. जैसे आप इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं plural. So any number of quantities, 2 or more than 2, that is known as plural. In the same way, any closed geometrical shape with lateral sides which has 3 or more than 3 sides is known as a polygon. We categorize them as triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, septagon and all. Okay, so perform this activity, try to find the number of diagonals that they have. Okay, see you in next class.